it's me, Claire Moy, and welcome to my channel. If you are a oldie and a goodie, you know I love you. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for stopping by again. I love you, like me and you. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications before you go. And check out some of my other videos. I'm sure you're going to enjoy yourself. Alright guys, we're going to jump right into this video. From the title of this video, you know what we're about to do today. We have a wig from HerGivenHair, and it's actually like a really popular style that's going around right now. And I'm so excited for it because I've been wanting to do something different with my hair, y'all. Which is why I have my hair in cornrows. I don't know, I look kind of cute with these cornrows though. You know what I'm saying? These lock rolls. I don't know, I like it. I think I look really, really cute with it. You know, I'm gonna have to revisit this style later, redo it, make it look cute with my little... Okay, anyways, so the type of wig we are trying on today, guys, is a headband wig. How cool is that, y'all? It is a headband wig. What? With some really beautiful textured curly hair, guys. So I'm gonna read off I'm gonna read the product description. So this type of hair is 18-inch. It is machine made weft. It is natural hair color, and it is coily texture 3C 4A hair, guys, and it is nice. So yeah, I've never tried this hair on before. Well, I'm lying. I put this hair on my head to make sure that it fit, but I didn't style it. I didn't brush out the hair. I didn't do anything. I just put it on my head to make sure that it fit over my locks, because if it didn't, I was going to return the wig and not waste my time doing my makeup, setting up everything to try on a wig that didn't fit. Like, I ain't got time for that, okay? So, this is the hair, guys. And we're going to put it on. I do not have a wig cap because I haven't been wearing wigs in months now. 8 months to be exact. The wig comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the center. That's going to go right up in here. And of course, it comes with another comb at the nape of the wig. It also comes with a built-in scarf. And it's a snap. So that's really, really cool. Listen, so if you are new to the wig game, this is like the easiest wig ever. You ain't got to be worried with no making your lace look all pretty. You ain't got to worry about baby hair. You don't have to worry about anything. Just put it on and go. I am excited, okay? The company, HerGivenHair, also sent me a few scarves. Oh my gosh. So we're going to try on these scarves. Oh, look at this one. This is my baby right here. We're going to try on these scarves with the wig as well, okay? So let's get into it. I have my bottle of water going. I have my scissors. That's all we're going to use. I'm not going to wash this wig for this video. I'm just going to spray it down with some water and get to styling. I mean, I would recommend you always wash your wigs when you get them. I always get my wigs from HerGivenHair. They never have a smell to them. It just smells like hair, weave, wig. Doesn't have a bad smell to them. It doesn't seem like it's dirty or anything. But I would still recommend you washing your wig when you get them. I just been working with this company and I know it's okay. Alrighty. So, let's go. Okay. What's happening? Alrighty. I also did my edges because I know I want my edges out. So I did my edges. I'm pushing my locks in the wig. It fits. Oh my gosh. Oh, it fits. Oh, let me put this little thing. I mean, this little thing could stay, but let me put it out. Let me put it out. Okay. I'm just, the Velcro, I'm just clipping the Velcro. And there you have it, y'all. What? Oops. I really should have put on a different shirt, but oh well, this is what we doing. And there you have it, guys. That's it. That's it. Oh, I haven't seen myself in hair like this in so long. And this covers it. This is how far it goes. If you don't have locks, I'm sure this will go a lot further, of course. All right, so I mean, literally, like, we're done. Like, video is over, but we're gonna wet it. The hair is really soft. My fingers are just, it's so soft. My fingers are completely, this is the hair that has come out so far. It's not a lot. All right, so I'm gonna wet my hair and I'll be back. So my hair is wet. I've wet it. Whew. And I can brush through it with ease. So that's really cool. I don't want to brush it because I don't want it to become too big. Let me brush this side. But you can completely brush through it with ease, guys. This hair is really, really soft. This is the hair. I haven't cut it. I haven't done anything to it. This is the hair straight out of the packaging. Which the packaging looks like this. A very sturdy box. It's just a really, really cute box, guys. Like, it comes with a silk HerGiven bag. So you can just put your wig in this bag and your hair won't get messed up because it's silk. And now let's style it. Okay. So this is it. I can pull it up a little bit further, but I don't want to use the combs because I don't want my hair to feel like it's being pulled. This is one of the scarves. How would this work? This is my first time opening any of this, so I don't even know. But how would this work though? It says HerGivenHair on it. I feel like this is for like, this would be too, okay. Oh, okay, you put it over your head. HerGivenHair. That's smart. All right, so we're gonna take this scarf. Ugh, I really don't want to put it over my head, but whatever. Oh, that was easier than I thought. Okay, so here is it. And then you could totally just wear it like this. Like this is cute. And you can also wear it. Okay, this is a really versatile scarf. Look at that. Okay. Just to FYI, HerGivenHair, I will be wearing these scarves with my locks, okay? Let's try the next scarf. Pull, pull. It's very stretchy, guys. It is very, very stretchy. Alright, so we saw that one. God, this is how it looks, by the way. So you can also pull this up into a nice pony like so. I'm gonna get a okay, let me use the combs just so that it doesn't slide back. And the combs will help it not slide back, so I'm using the combs. I didn't want to, but all right, let's try on the next scarves. Okay, this is a nice little black one. Okay, and oh, I got hair all over me. And then an animal print one. Ooh, look at that. Let's try this one on. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm feeling this one. I'm not going to try the black one on. It's pretty similar to this one. Let's grab it. Okay. And then the star of the show. Look, it's not moving. It stays, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. And then the star of the show. It's this one. Ooh. That is so pretty. Look at this. This is gorgeous. What is it? It's a whole story. It's like people sitting at a restaurant, people walking. This is dope. Where did it go? Oh. Then we're going to take this and tuck it underneath so you don't see it. This is really pretty, guys. So you can just rock it like this, like, what's up? And this is the final look, y'all. I'm in love. I am so in love. I'm leaving it like this for the remainder of the video. And then I'm gonna go grocery shopping. That's all I really have to do today is go grocery shopping. This is the end of the video. I just wanted to mention again, this hair is from HerGivenHair, guys. And you know what I love about them? Well, first of all, the curl pattern is from the root all the way down to the end. Because I've seen some curly wigs where the top of the wig is straight and then it starts to get curly. That is so weird to me. Have you ever seen closures like that? Like the top of the wig is like straight and then it starts to get curly? No. This hair from the rooter to the tutor, meaning from when it first comes out the scalp to the end of the hair remains curly. And HerGivenHair is extremely professional, guys. Hit them up, let me know how they work, because for me personally, they are so professional. And I've worked with a lot of companies and I've been through stuff. Even as an influencer, I done been through stuff with companies and I'm like, if you do me like this, I know you ain't doing my people good. But HerGivenHair prides themselves on being professional, guys, and their #1 thing is to get the perfect natural curly hair that just matches us really, really well. All right, I gotta go. I ain't got nowhere to go but the grocery store, but I gotta go look in the mirror some more. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this hair review, guys. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you check out the description box because I have all the information on this hair, links for HerGivenHair. I'm not sure if I have a discount code, but if I do, it'll be down below as well. Okay? All right, bye.